Maintenance plays a vital role in keeping energy systems safe, efficient, and reliable. As part of our efforts to sustain operational commitments and foster a culture of excellence, we invest in our people, equipping our teams with the necessary skills, expertise, and technologies required to undertake maintenance activities with precision and care. This enables them to respond effectively and ensure that our operations run smoothly and efficiently at all times. To reinforce their capabilities, we establish standardized procedures, deploy cutting-edge asset management platforms, and conduct rigorous assessments across all our facilities. This helps us implement world-class maintenance practices, ensuring the reliability and efficiency of our operations. On Global Maintenance Day, we celebrate the dedication and expertise of our maintenance workforce, who work tirelessly to keep our operations running smoothly. We recognize the importance of their work in supporting global energy needs and contributing to economic growth, with the aim to improve the quality of life for people around the globe. Maintaining today to sustain tomorrow.